everyone, welcome to the Karen Krausen Photography YouTube channel. This is just a quick DIY video. I have taken apart this mattress to put it underneath the porch in place where most likely a normal sane person would put lattice. Instead though, I have decided to put a box spring underneath the porch. I do recommend wearing gloves because of the springs. I ended up nicking my fingers trying to get the fabric and the mattress off of the springs. But anyways, once I got it under the porch, I was really pleased with it. All I had to do was level it up a bit. But the intent is to grow some plants, some vining sort of plants through the springs with some solar lights in the future. And with it being Colorado, I don't know if I'll be able to get certain plants to grow. So I may end up actually putting in fake plants. But I'm really pleased with it, and I appreciate you guys watching. So stay tuned in the next couple of weeks for some more DIY videos. And while you're here, please like and comment, and please subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next adventure. Bye.